everyone, LagosHouseWife here. Welcome to another episode of Gadget Tuesday. Today we are going to be doing something different, not a review but an unboxing. An unboxing of a gadget I've always wanted to try, the Stirling Black Edition. Come and see it. Ooh, wow. That's cardio for 1 week done. It's heavy. Okay, let me rest first. Okay, I'm back to breathing normally now. So, let me show you what this is. Wow. This is the Stirling Black Edition 30 liters microwave air fryer oven. That means it's 3 in 1. It's an air fryer, it's a microwave, it's an oven. And of course it can microwave. It's also a convection oven. In case you do not know, a convection oven is a fan powered oven. It can grill, it can bake, it can air fry. This is, I can't even call it 3 in 1. It's like plenty things in one. So let me open it. Let's see what's inside. I've not opened it myself. I've not unpacked it. I'm doing the unboxing here with you. This is the microwave turntable, the glass turntable, and this is the stand for it, for the microwave. Then this goes off. Yeah, I'm going to need help bringing this out. It's out. I had to get my husband to help me. Quite heavy. So let's see what's inside. Let me first see the front. I love it. It's so sleek. Yeah. So, manual, as always, read your manual. This is obviously a rack. Come on, Joe. Okay. Quick start guide, warranty certificates. A baking pan. What else? There's something in here. I don't know what it is. I'll read the manual and find out. That's why you should read your manual. So, okay, the microwave things. This is everything. This is all that is inside. And that is the unboxing of the Stirling Black Edition. Yes, Black Edition. Microwave oven air fryer. I'll be using it all through this week, every day this week, so that I can scramble up the review for you to tell you everything about it. And in case you want it, I'm going to put in the caption, you should want it. It's amazing. All in one now. I'll put in the what do they call it? The description. Yes. How to get it, the contact details of the seller, and don't worry, next week I'll be back with my review on it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss anything. And give me a thumbs up for this video. My very first unboxing video. Yippee! Till next week, I'll be back here to review this amazing gadget. See ya! It's out, finally. My husband had to help me bring it out. I said, bring it. Where you go? Okay.